Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn. Welcome to A Simple Tweak. Today I'm going to show you how to make sofrito. Have you ever tried sofrito? Sofrito is the base of flavor of many Caribbean and Hispanic dishes. It is very practical and a time saver when it comes to making stews, soups, meats, and even grains. This aromatic blend comes together very easily by combining a few fresh ingredients. Let me show you what you'll need. To make this recipe, you'll need peppers, parsley, cilantro, onion, garlic, sour orange juice or vinegar, olive oil, and some salt to taste. Place the garlic, peppers, and onions into the food processor. Puree for a few seconds to make space for the other ingredients. Cut the ends of the parsley and cilantro and place into the food processor. Drizzle in the sour orange juice and olive oil. Add the salt and puree until well combined. What I love about Homemade Sofrito is that I'm in control of what's in it and I'm able to avoid any preservatives that will come from store-bought products. Make sure to remove the blade for an easier pour. Let me share with you some tips on how to store the sofrito. I usually like to freeze some of the sofrito into cube size for future use. This recipe makes enough to fill 2 small mason jars and a little extra to freeze. These cubes can last in the freezer for 3 to 6 months and hold its freshness. You will end up with the perfect condiment for daily use. I will be using this sofrito to make a rice and beans recipe for next week. Make sure to leave your comments in the section down below and visit my website, asimpletweak.com, for more recipes like this one.